Enhance your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency with our top-notch bay window installation services in Richland Hills. Our team specializes in custom bay window designs Richland Hills, ensuring that each installation complements your home's unique style. Bay windows Richland Hills homeowners choose for their elegance and functionality also provide expanded views and additional natural light. With energy-efficient bay windows Richland Hills, you can enjoy reduced energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. For those experiencing issues with their current windows, we offer comprehensive window glass replacement and window frame installation services. Our experts are skilled in window seal installation and window caulking services, ensuring your windows are airtight and weatherproof. If you're dealing with window condensation, our window condensation installation services can help eliminate moisture problems and improve your home's air quality. Upgrade your windows with our window hardware upgrade and window hinge replacement services. We provide window latch installation and window balance installation to ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. Our window sash replacement and window pane installation services are perfect for restoring the functionality and appearance of your windows. Protect your home from drafts and leaks with our window weatherproofing and window leak installation services. Our window insulation services and window draft installation solutions are designed to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. For added privacy and UV protection, consider our window tinting services and window glazing services. In Richland Hills, we offer specialized bay window services, including bay window frame installation and bay window sash replacement. Our bay window seal installation and bay window caulking services ensure your bay windows are well maintained and energy efficient. With bay window insulation services Richland Hills, you can enjoy a cozy and comfortable home environment. Our window screen installation and window trim installation services enhance both the functionality and appearance of your windows. If your windows are showing signs of wear, our window sill replacement and window moisture control services can help restore their condition. For a complete window makeover, consider our custom window designs and double pane windows options. Richland Hills residents can benefit from our bay window hardware upgrade and bay window hinge replacement services. Our bay window latch installation and bay window balance installation ensure your bay windows operate smoothly and securely. With bay window pane installation and bay window draft installation, you can maintain the integrity and efficiency of your windows. Choose our residential bay window services Richland Hills for all your window needs. From bay window tinting services to bay window glazing services, we offer a comprehensive range of solutions to enhance your home's beauty and efficiency. Trust our experts for all your window installation and installation needs in Richland Hills. Bay window installation in Richland Hills is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With custom bay window designs Richland Hills, you can transform your living space into a bright and inviting area. Our expert team specializes in bay window replacement Richland Hills, ensuring a seamless fit and finish. Energy-efficient bay windows Richland Hills are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. Bay windows Richland Hills residents install are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Our bay window insulation services Richland Hills provide additional protection against the elements, ensuring your home remains energy efficient. For those experiencing issues with their current windows, our window glass replacement services are second to none. We offer window pane installation and window condensation installation to address any problems you may encounter. Our window seal installation services ensure that your windows remain airtight, preventing drafts and moisture intrusion. Custom window designs are available to suit any style or preference. Whether you're looking for double pane windows or unique window glazing services, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Our window hardware upgrade options include window hinge replacement and window latch installation, ensuring your windows operate smoothly. Window frame installation and window trim installation are essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our team is skilled in window caulking services and window weatherproofing to protect your home from the elements. We also offer window leak installation and window draft installation to keep your home comfortable and dry. Window screen installation is a practical solution for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Our window screen installation services are tailored to fit any window size or shape. Additionally, our window tinting services provide privacy and UV protection, enhancing the comfort of your home. Bay window frame installation. Richland Hills is crucial for maintaining the beauty and functionality of your bay windows. Our bay window sash replacement services ensure that your windows open and close with ease. We also offer bay window hardware upgrade. Richland Hills to enhance the performance of your windows. Window moisture control is vital for preventing damage and maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Our window moisture control services address issues such as window condensation installation and window draft installation. We also provide window balance installation and window sill replacement to ensure your windows remain in top condition. Bay window weatherproofing. Richland Hills is essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our bay window caulking services. Richland Hills provide a tight seal against the elements, while our bay window leak installation services address any water intrusion issues. We also offer bay window tinting services. Richland Hills for added privacy and energy efficiency. Residential bay window services. Richland Hills include a comprehensive range of solutions to meet your needs. Whether you are upgrading to bay windows Richland Hills homeowners trust or installationing existing ones, our team is equipped to handle any project. From bay window glazing services Richland Hills to bay window hinge replacement Richland Hills, we cover every detail. Our bay window latch installation Richland Hills and bay window balance installation Richland Hills services ensure your windows function flawlessly.